Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. O karon na nami diri sa babaw sa Laguna Beach.
This is where we want to live. Problem is, oh, here we are, Laguna Beach up in the hills. Okay. Most of those are 6 million plus. That one, 12 million. And there's the beach down there, pretty about where we stayed. We went straight down. That's where we stayed. You see the outline of the Catalina Island and more 5 million, $10 million homes. Mostly 5 million. The big ones, 12 million. Very nice. Okay, vacation continues.
Okay, here is.
You see the island?
Yep, but it's easy.
You can't tell by looking at the screen. But if you can, it's Catalina Island out there.
There is the island. You see?
Yep, let's take a ride now. There goes.
Okay.
These houses are all in the 3 to 5 million range. If you've got the perfect view, you're probably up around 8, 9 million, 10 million.
Yep, so expensive.
If you've got a partial
here.
view, you're probably about 3 million, 2.5 to 3 million.
Expensive. Laguna
And
Beach.
the houses are old. Some are big, some are not. Most are not.
Temple Hills here, honey.
That's the sign
name.
of the road.
Yeah.
Not sure.
Yep. This
We'll go
nice.
between the alleyway.
Nice house.
Nice private street.
Yeah.
Looks like it's safe. People
Yeah.
have money, they have security.
Now we're on the race now?
RJ?
Private road.
Yeah.
And you're like 10 minutes away from the beautiful beaches. You just go
Yep,
down the
in
big hill,
Laguna.
down the hill, and there you are, beach.
There is the view. What's in there? Holy sick.
Another cul-de-sac.
Yep. Holy sick here too.
Looks like all custom homes went in here. You know, when they built this 30 years ago. Because all the houses are very different looking.
Yep.
So they look like custom homes. Maybe some of these houses are 40, 50 years old. They've just been...
Yeah.
I'm in first again. Yes.
First.
Hi guys, I want to show you what's look like here in
Laguna.
Laguna Beach. Oh, Laguna Beach is not Laguna Beach.
Well, it's the town of
Laguna.
Laguna Beach town.
Yeah. Laguna.
I'm not sure if there's Laguna Hills. We're on Laguna Boulevard right now. So I'm looking at my navigation. Laguna Boulevard. These houses over on the left, they've got the view.
Yep.
You can see Catalina Island. You can see the for
So we
sale.
have no view.
For sale right there.
3 million, how 5 million.
You can't tell.
Just look around the houses here. If
They're
what's
so
look
close
like.
together in that bushes, you can't see it.
Yep.
Let's turn around and go back to that one that's for sale.
Tugmao ni siya guys ang ilang mga balay-balay diri. Alta Laguna honey.
Won this racetrack like a million times, even guys. And I win the best racetrack ever in first.
You playing?
Outfit.
Wow, you first.
Asphalt
Okay, here
8.
it is.
Asphalt 8.
Wow.
You like never tight if you have a big truck like we got.
Yep. And
Second
there
time
is.
I won.
Look at all the
Second
trees,
time I
privacy in
won,
front.
guys.
Yep. All three. Nice that
This
have
is my
privacy.
second time I won this race.
Oh, and they got a house, a
For
garage there.
sale.
Can you look down the back of the aisle?
Cannot no.
There's the ocean.
Yeah. It's nice house. 10 million.
Refurbishing that one.
Yeah.
So that one, they ripped out the whole insides. It's cabinets, counters.
Yeah.
It's like brand new. The only outside structure and the slab foundation is original. Down.
Yeah, we're heading down.
Wow, there
now.
it is. Catalina Island.
Yeah.
I saw it from the beach a couple times, you know, when the haze just lifted a little bit. I could see the outline. Up here,
Yeah.
you're above it.
Oh, brand new. Look at this house.
Brand new. Yeah.
So big, huh?
Look at
Wow.
all these houses all tall.
Wow, always brand new, this house.
They're on stilts too in the back. They have a canyon behind them. And that's for
Nice.
sale right there.
Yeah.
Side view, they don't have good, they have front view. I like to see a nice day where there's no haze.
Yeah, but easy.
And look at RJ School. See?
There is the school. Wow, look at that. Oh, we get out
I have a park right
of
here.
a park here. Then.
I'm gonna look.
That's so much better. There's King Frank View Park.
So how much damage?
I cannot tell. Underneath. RJ, be careful. You stay there. And there is. Have a bench here.
Walk to the bottom.
Sit down. Wow, look at this here. Here's the big view.
Yeah, look at Catalina Island.
Yeah. There is Catalina
Now,
Island.
this is your backyard. Right
Yeah.
here. Look at they built on stilts.
Yep.
Somebody's house. So
See?
there's a walking trail all the way to the bottom.
Why there, honey, have no house?
It's a park.
Ah.
The town owns it. I guess they could change the zoning. They could park out with $1 million homes.
At this.
A lot of it they leave now.
Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. O karon na nami diri sa babaw sa Laguna Beach.
This is where we want to live. Problem is we don't have 10 million.
The dream house.
It's 10 million, 5 million, 10 million.
Yeah, we cannot afford, so expensive here.
That's ocean out there. It's hazy
Yep.
out there.
Yeah, I want to show you guys. See the view. There is the beach. And there's Catalina
beach?
Island. There is.
Behind you. The outline of Catalina. It's an
Yep.
hour ferry ride out there.
Yep, I show you here guys what's look like. Okay, here it
Let me
comes.
get my
Okay, just look around here and enjoy the view.
So we're just going to drive around Sightseeing and work our way to Pasadena eventually.
Yep.
Check in over there. And then tomorrow we get up super early and we go to Universal. There you go.
Universal Studio.
That's nice view. That's it. Look at the shade they got there. That's the parking area right here.
Look at that view.
See, now Catalina's starting to get hidden.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a shame they got that rail there. You want to get out?
Okay, we get out again.
Oh, the curve is very high.
Yeah, we not get out.
Good, go ahead.
Ah, look at this here guys. Grabe, ang view. Diri ting pagkanindot ah. Look at that there. Nawa na guys, taas king pananaw diri. Lapita. Nawa ang road. Ang kalsada. Ug ang mga balay-balay naa sa mga buntod. Kanang mga balaya, mga mahal kayo. Yeah, in the port. Yep, nindot kayo. I wish we have one house that. Pero di ta ka-afford kay
See that White House there with the orange?
Yeah.
That's 12 million.
Oh, 12 million.
12 million.
orange house.
Look at the size of the thing.
That's so big, huh?
No unobstructed views in the back. You know?
Yep.
Canyon, beach views.
Vacation is adventure. Adventure in California. Mao ni siya ang ilahang mga view diri. Okay. See you next.
It's for special. Oh, here it's high school.
There's high school.
Look. Laguna Beach High School.
High school, ha? Wow. At this, you want to be go high school here, RJ?
It's RJ's high school. Right by the hotel.
Not care, RJ.
So we follow this down. We're gonna come right out to the hotel again. Somewhere I gotta get gas and then lifesavers too. Remind me lifesavers.
Wow, so many mini cars here.
But my ears pop every day. If you live up top with the $1 million view,
Yeah, always.
then you want to go
Ear
down and go
pop.
grocery shopping at Ralph's, the only grocery store in the whole
Yeah,
area.
that's so expensive too. My
Yeah.
goodness.
It's Laguna.
Maybe much better in the
Well,
down.
you can go to the other supermarket, but it's an hour drive. You can go through the mountains to the other side. Then you can go to regular stores, you know, like the Kroger's, and get regular prices. So everything's expensive. You got to drive more.
You live here, everything expensive, even anywhere. There is the main road.